What's up, folks? So I am chilling here now at Niras Bangkok Cultural Hostel. It's where I stayed the first part of my stay here in Bangkok. Unfortunately, I was not able to get the flight as early as I was hoping to Chiang Mai. So the thing is right now that I'm just finishing the bookings. I got my flight. It's going to be at like 5:30, so I have a couple hours to kill. I've repacked and I'm ready to head up north. So just right now I'm just watching YouTube, looking through things, and then we're going to head our way up there. Got a little bit of noodles and pork for lunch here, a little root beer. Figured I might as well eat while I'm just chilling and waiting. Back in the airport, the robots, they're coming for us. Chiang Mai, an hour and a half.
What is poppin', my beautiful people? So this hostel here is Stamps. It's located on the, I believe, the eastern wall, or just outside the eastern wall of the Chiang Mai city or loop. Great hostel. Staff was amazing. That was the real highlight there. But this is just a cubby capsule. Didn't have doors, had AC, private bathroom, and a nice little overlook onto the street. But overall, great stay here. Had to be quiet because some people were sleeping.
Good morning from Chiang Mai, folks. So right now I am in the search of a motorcycle or a scooter. I've already been to a few shops right now, and I'm trying to get some price points. I don't have to check out to my hostel till 11, so I got a bit of time, got everything in the locker, and then I think I'm gonna get ready to head up to Pai. Last night was pretty lit, had a good time partying. The room at the hostel was amazing. Out here, walking along this main strip, trying to get me a motorcycle. All right, folks, it is official. We are on the bike. I'll give you a little bike tour later. I got the gear behind me, and we are heading to Pai right now. So kind of an indefinite stay up there. We'll see what happens, and let's get on the road. Alrighty, folks, I don't know if you can hear me because the wind or because the car engine, but we are thick in the mountains of Pai. We are getting pretty deep in the hills of the mountains here as we head up to Pai. This 155cc scooter is doing me pretty good. It's chugging along, keeping pretty good speed. It only bogged down at one point, but as you can see, these roads are pretty wild. Whoa. Got some work on the left-hand side. I don't know if you can see. Definitely because there's been some collapsing and some landslides. I don't know if you can see the landslide up here coming onto the road here. Very common for this road after the rainy season. Alrighty, folks, so about an hour away to Pai. Figured I'd show the homie here. We got some water buffalo hanging out here on the side of the road. Well, folks, I have officially made it to Pai. Standing here at the sign with my trusted scooter. I didn't show you guys kind of what it looked like, but this is the setup. I wanted a bigger bike, but sometimes when you go down the trails, the lighter, smaller bikes are nicer, and this was a liquid-cooled 155cc disc brakes. There is ABS, but it's not quite working, but it's totally fine. You know, I'm used to that. Got my little backpack here. So this is the setup going right here. I also got my camera bag on my back. But yeah, so finally made it. But yeah, the important thing to know too when you're coming up here, when you're traveling, make sure you have an international driver's license. I'm kind of like sliding under the radar, and you definitely can get away with it, but an international driver's license allows you to basically operate without getting stopped by the police or the military. They have these checkpoints up here. In the city, they don't really have them as often. Occasionally, they'll do it in the circle around Chiang Mai. It's basically a way for them to get, like a little extra money off you. Remember, they encourage you to ride here, so it's kind of this like double-edged sword, and it is a great place to ride. It's a lot less congested than Bangkok, but it is one of those things you need to look out for. If you do get caught, I suggest you keep your money separate, and only keep a little bit in your wallet. Keep like 300 to 500 baht, and then just keep your other money kind of hidden in a hidden compartment or something like that. Don't keep it directly on your person, just because it's smart for travel reasons in general. If you ever really get robbed, and if you run into a situation with the police up here. So let's get into Pai. We're gonna go see my friend Sophie. You guys might saw a little clip of her when we were in Bangkok. I hung out with her and a few others on my time in Bangkok, and so we're actually meeting up with her, and there might be a few others. So hanging out here with the crew at Pai Canyons for sunset.
Are you traveling alone?
So I'm out here exploring the canyons. It is insane how busy it is compared to last time. Like, look at all these people. Gorgeous sunset though. There's just so many people. I don't know if I'll zoom in a little bit. People all the way out here. When I originally came back in 2016, there were 6 people at sunset. And now it is like, probably like 150, maybe more. It is absolutely wild. So, still beautiful, still enjoyable, but you can definitely tell there's a lot more erosion and that there's a lot more people passing through here. So, alrighty folks, we are in the town of Pai at the night market. I have the crew of people with me, going to get food. This is the new people added to the vlog.
The vlog already knows me.
Yeah, this is Sophie, the vlog already knows you. What's everyone's names? Introduce yourself.
I'm Brandon from Australia.
I'm Ellie from the UK.
Very nice. So we're gonna be exploring tonight. A little smaller than what I remember in the past. So very interested to see what we have here tonight and what food we're gonna get into.
What is it?
Try it. I got one for you. Everybody take
Alright,
one.
here we go.
What's
It's like,
inside it?
it's like
Spices
coconut, ginger. It's a bit sweet, but also like
Well, this is
lemongrass.
fire. This is really
And
good.
this is like
God.
Oh, thank you.
a beetle leaf or something.
Whoa. So good.
Oh my god.
It's great, right?
Yeah, it's
Good,
good.
right?
Crazy. Alrighty folks, so we have finished eating at the street food section. Got a ton of dumplings. Got some coconut dumplings, got some dumplings, got some coconut pastries, a whole bunch of different things. And now we're hanging at like a little music hall here. These hammocks.
You look so tired. Another job you got leaves you so uninspired.
What it is, what it do, guys. Good morning. It is Friday the 9th of December, and I am here at Mo Pang Waterfall. I have a little crew with me today. Got some new people from the hostel. I'm staying at the Happy Backpacker again for one more night, and then moving to Nola Hub Hostel. But this is the crew for today. You know Sophie, you know Brandon. You're gonna meet the other folks in a minute. We have to go to the tunnel to get down to Mo Pang.
Exactly.
Oh,
Got that hot
snap.
springs after this, clean off.
Yeah. Ow, my head. Oh, and here we go, Mo Pang.
So this is the one you can slide down.
Alright folks, successful sliding session here at Mo Pang. We ended up doing the sliding over here. I got a clip of myself doing it. It was absolutely crazy. Pretty scared to do it, but I'm really glad I did it. Really like it when Brandon kicked it off. We had another Irish guy kind of egging it on, getting the slide ready, and then Brandon just shot it, and we all went down afterwards. But yeah, beautiful little spot, not too busy. We had a bunch of local kids hanging out here too, and gonna head on to another viewing point and then probably a hot spring. So that's the plan for now, and let's get on over there. What is up, folks? We are at Lai Viewing Point here, just about 13 minutes away from the Mo Pang Waterfall. And this is the view you have. Peep this. Beautiful view of the Pai Valley. Rolling mountains, and it's absolutely gorgeous. Just hanging out here a bit. Crew's chilling. Might get an iced coffee or something.
Yes.
Right?
Right.
Oh, introduce yourself to the vlog.
Oh, hi vlog. I'm Sienna.
Sienna, she's also from the Hudson Valley. Shout out to the gang.
Gang, gang.
These bogans. Introduce yourself.
Jens,
Where are you from?
Belgium.
Belgium.
Straight out of Belgium.
Straight out of Belgium. Happy backpackers as well. So, just hanging out this afternoon. So, I'm gonna go get that coffee. Gotta say, Pai, its greenery is like pretty unreal. It's definitely become more touristy than when I was here in the past. But if you want to come see it while it's, you know, still has some of its kind of origins intact and like some of that original Pai magic, I'd really recommend getting here sooner rather than later. You know, the numbers are going up. Prior to COVID, I was talking to some hostel owners and some business owners. There were 66 hostels, so it is starting to get to that critical mass point. So if you want to come out here before things kind of get ruined, or there's like more rules or things to pay, this is the time to get here and you get this beautiful valley to explore. I think the hot springs.
Where's the nice room at the end? There's like little bath, I guess.
Alrighty, folks, we've made it to the trail to the hot springs. This is the Pai Hot Springs that Brandon wanted to visit. What do you think of it? 36, yo, my man's almost falling in there.
Dude, how does it do?
It's geothermal.
I don't know if I can do this. This is fucking hot.
That's what I was saying, dog. 36 is no play.
Very hot.
I can even feel the heat over here. Takes a second.
Yeah, it's like when taking a bath.
Oh, here we go, here we go.
Oh, it's actually better.
Oh my god, yeah, wow. Yeah, this is crazy hot.
This is how hot our body is inside.
Yo, you roasting them, I said. My man.
I'm cooking.
You know what we call this in the States? Rocky Mountain oysters. When they come from, we just cut them off the bowls, cook them up.
Oh, it's actually really nice.
Have you put your feet in, dude? It's really hot.
That's not my stuff.
Come on, Hudson Valley, let's go. All right, I'm gonna put this down for a second. I'm gonna jump in and try to get acclimated. All right, folks, we are at the next spot. It is the White Buddha Temple. We are hiking our way up to see the sunset over the mountains here. We have some stairs to climb, clearly, so.
Alright, we did bring the GoPro out, guys. Got some northern Thai mixed curry.
You get sticky rice.
Got
with,
northern Thai pork
like
curry.
chicken salad.
Same over here. And then what you got the minced chicken.
Salad. It's called lap gai.
La guy?
Wait,
right.
guy.
Wait, guy.
You're not Thai.
She's a Thai expert. Now we've moved on to the roti.
The roti.
The roti.
What is it?
Oh no.
Oh no, I lost my banana.
Looks like this. It's basically a coconut pancake of sorts. Very delicious.
All this time you were pretending so much for my happy. You were everything that I wanted.
Hello, get on sounds like a carnival. Yeah, the microphone smells like a beer.
All right, Jazzy Jesus, blessing us up. Oh, now I need one of those. I need one of those.
Drink this for
very
Cheers,
much for
Aaron.
coming,
Thank you,
guys.
sir. Thank you.
So happy to see you here every night. Cheers. Cheers.
Word.
Cheers. Cheers. Cheers.